Hey guys, today I just wanted to talk about my new exhaust. It's a kind of a hybrid hodgepodge exhaust. I use the Dynomax 2.5-inch X-Pipe along with the Dynomax Super Turbos from the 2011 to 2014 Catback for the Charger RT. In the video, I'll show you pics of the mufflers and X-Pipe before I installed them. I also laid them on top of a stock RT's exhaust, so you could see the significant difference in diameter. The stock RT exhaust is actually only 2.25 inches, and all the Dynomax is 2.25 or 2.5 inches. So you'll see that clearly depicted in these pictures. And the Dynomax mufflers are actually proven to flow straight through and restriction free up to 450 horsepower. So that's the one thing I love about these mufflers. They're straight through, no restriction, and they're drone free. They're just amazing. They're great for a daily driver. I know this isn't suited for a good portion of people who do exhaust mods because they're just not overbearingly loud, but for a daily driver, honestly, I don't think there's anything better. Right now, windows are closed, and I'm just cruising and nothing crazy, but if I go and open it up, you know, you can hear it a little bit. It sounds a lot better than stock, and I got nothing but good things